How's everybody doing today? Andrew Keene in the house. What I'm going to teach you today is hidden market reveals, Wall Street's secret trades. I'll be your presenter over the course of the next about an hour here. I have to actually go a couple minutes early. I have this thing called golf lessons, and so I'm going to go for about 50 minutes here. And I'll be your presenter here for the next hour. So a little risk disclaimer, we have to put this in every single webinar. Day trading, short-term trading, option trading are extremely risky undertaking. They are generally not appropriate for someone with little or no capital or low tolerance of risk. I personally am not a registered investment advisor. I cannot give recommendations or advice. What I can do is offer my opinion, which obviously I think is much more valuable than offering something that you can legally stand behind. All trades are for educational purposes only. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to share with you is my biggest secret, a secret that has helped me make more than $4 million trading simple stock options. I call them unusual option activity because few people know they exist. Even fewer know how to find them. But these trades take place every single day and generate billions of dollars in profits. First, I'm going to show you how you can put them on to predict which way the stock is going to take off. They look like this. This is an unusual option activity trade confirmation for Hain Celestial from June. To most of you, this probably doesn't mean a damn thing. Might as well be written in Latin. But to a trained professional, it reveals unusual option activity. In this case, a massive long position in Hain stock. Today, I'm going to show you how I use this very code to make 321% in just 17 days. Turning every $10,000 into $42,100. One trade, 2 weeks, $32,000 in profits. Imagine finding a quick trade like this just once a month. That would add up to $385,000 of pure profits. And you can find these opportunities almost every single day. I've been a professional trader since 2003, and when I talk, people listen. I've made regular appearances on CNBC, Bloomberg, BNN, and other news networks. I've even co-hosted the show on Bloomberg and Fox Business. I'm the president and founder of Alpha Shark Trading. I'm also the author of 4 books, How to Trade Like a Hedge Fund Manager and The New Wave of Trading. Today, I'm one of the most sought-after experts in trading unusual option activity. And I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. But before we get started, we have some quick house cleaning. There's a chat box at the bottom of the screen. But do me a favor, try to hold all the questions until the presentation. Hopefully, we're going to have time and we're going to do a live Q&A. I'd also suggest closing down Facebook, Skype, YouTube, or anything else that can slow down your internet and cause issues viewing the webinar. Because if you miss something, we're not going to be able to go back and watch it again. I know your time is valuable, and I don't believe in wasting it. So let's get started and jump into it right now. So let's start with the code we just showed you. Now, this code looks complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward. What this shows is a huge option trade in Hain Celestial stock, an unusual option activity trade. It's easier to see on the chart, so let's have a look. See where the unusual option activity took place. This chart shows a large amount of money going into Hain completely out of nowhere. Now, let's overlay that with price action. The black chart represents the unusual option activity. The blue shows the options change in price. As we can see, after the unusual option activity was placed, the option shot up. In this case, 321% in 17 days. But this is the important part. It jumped after the unusual option activity took place. This gives you time to place a trade in your account and maximize your potential profits. Following this trade, Hain will give you the chance to capture 321% in just 17 days, turning every $1,000 investment into $4,200. And it's so easy to do. You just need to find and decode these trades. Here's another example. On January 18th, I spotted a huge unusual option activity trade in GameStop. You can see where it spiked on the chart. If you knew about this, you could have placed a very simple option trade in GME, then walked away with 360% profit in 13 days. And look, this isn't hindsight. This isn't some back testing BS. This was an alert I actually sent to my subscribers. In at 50 cents, out at $2.30, turning every $5,000 into $23,000 in about 2 weeks. Not bad, right? Here's another unusual option activity from mid-February. There's unusual option activity from mid-February. And in less than a month, traders were able to capture 495% gains just from following unusual option activity. Guys, I've been trading this strategy for over 16 years. I've tried, tested, and retested every aspect of it. Through the process, I discovered 3 key signals that led to the biggest moves. The ones that can hand you 300, 500, even 1,400% gains in as little as 2 days. Today, I'm going to show you what those signals are, how I use them, and why I believe this is the only way for a trader to make money. But first off, let me tell you who I am and why you're listening to me. Again, my name is Andrew Keene, and I'm a professional trader. I earned a finance degree from the University of Illinois. And after graduation, I went on a lot of job interviews. Everything from financial analyst to investment banker. One firm was even offering me a huge salary. Now, as a 21-year-old kid fresh out of college, that was a big opportunity. I was excited and I was about to accept the position, but I decided to go on one last interview, and it was with a trading firm. And after a few minutes, I knew this is exactly what I wanted to do. Everything was about profitability and math, and it made so much sense to me. So I took an entry-level position as a clerk. I was making $2,000 a month and taking the 5:42 a.m. train every morning from Deerfield, Illinois to Union Station in Chicago. My mom wasn't really excited about my decision, and you can see why. But I was passionate about trading, and I loved the markets. And after 9 months of long hours and low pay as a clerk, I was finally given the opportunity to start trading. That's me in the pits back in 2003. The first year, I made a good amount of money. The next year, I did even better. Year 3, same thing. I felt like everything had finally fallen in place. Eventually, I was making so much money that I got cocky. I thought I couldn't lose. Then one day, the inevitable happened. I lost over $494,000 on a trade in AMAG and blew out my trading account. Now, I don't know how many of you guys have ever lost $500,000 in a trade, but let me tell you, it stings a little bit, okay? More than that, it was embarrassing. My coworkers, my friends, my family, they thought I was this big hotshot trader. Now, with one stupid trade, I had literally lost everything. So what did I do? I did the only sensible thing to do in that situation. Actually, it wasn't really sensible at all. I literally moved to Thailand and started teaching English in a Buddhist monastery. While I was there, I licked my wounds and made peace with my losses. And most importantly, I vowed never to lose ever again. So I came back with the last $50,000 to my name, and I went back to the trading floor. I remember there was this Merrill Lynch broker, Hess, H-E-S, big salt and pepper hair, big silver chain, comes into the pit, and he sells 10,000 credit put spreads in Apple. Now, we had no idea who was on the other side of the trade, but this trader is making a large bet that Apple was going to go higher. Sure enough, it did. The next week, same thing happened. Right after this broker got long, the stock shot up. This continued to happen week after week after week. I said to myself, wow, this guy's pretty smart. Every time he gets long Apple, the stock goes up. So for almost 2 years, I followed his trades. When he bought, I bought. When he sold, I sold. That's it. That's all I was doing. No technical analysis, no chart reading. Nothing. I made close to $1 million just from piggybacking this one trader. So I started doing the same thing with other big traders. And in less than 2 years, I was able to turn my last $100,000 into almost $5 million. The strategy I use in the trading pits is the exact same one I use today. Only difference is I can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need a seat on the exchange floor or 7-figure account to see what big money is doing anymore. All you need is your laptop and your internet connection. Everything is electronic today. We have instant access to order flow. I use an advanced piece of software that scans the order flow electronically to find the most high probable unusual option activity trades. The same trades I followed in the pits to make almost $5 million. But now it takes less than an hour a day. And it's a hell of a lot easier than watching those hand signals from across the trading floor. Let me show you another example. This was an unusual option activity in Dick's Sporting Goods from last March. You see the spike in activity where a trader bought 2,450 call options one morning. 99% of investors didn't see this trade. They had no idea it was happening. But with the special scanning software like I use, you could have seen this opportunity earlier and made 433% profit in just 3 days. A small $1,000 position would have turned into $5,330 in less than a week. Again, just from following these under the radar, unusual option activity trades. It could have been any simpler. Look at the chart of Papa John's. At this time, the stock was down more than 50% in 3 months. There's no indicator on the planet that would have told you to buy there unless you were watching for unusual option activity. They would have alerted you to buy calls in Papa John's when the stock was trading on the lows, when the options were dirt cheap. Stock began to climb the next day, and traders who got in when I flagged the unusual option activity trade came in and took home an easy 608% profit. But here's the best kind of reason I've been using this for over 16 years. It works in a bull market, but it also works in a bear market. Here's a short trade you could have taken in Citigroup. After worse than expected earnings, the stock fell from 81 to 71. But right before that happened, an unusual option activity revealed a massive bearish position when a top trader bought 4,502 out of the money March 74.5 puts. That's the spike you see on the chart. As you know, put options go up when the underlying stock goes down. And that's exactly what happened. Anyone could have followed this trade and bagged 505% gains over the next 2 weeks. The same was with the U.S. Steel. Right after the stock made new highs, an unusual option activity trade revealed that the stock was about to reverse. To profit from this, all you had to do was buy the same put option and watch them gain 750% over the next 8 days. These 4 trades would have handed you 2,228%, enough to turn $1,000 into $23,000, $5,000 into $115,000, and an incredible $10,000 into $230,000, all from just following the smart money and piggybacking these unusual option activity trades. Hopefully, you're beginning to see the power of the strategy and why I believe this is the only way for retail traders to make money. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you an unusual option activity trade I spotted this morning, and I'll give you the details so you can put it on tomorrow. But first, I need to tell you more about unusual option activity and how it predicts which direction the stock is going to move with such great accuracy. So here's how it works. Most retail traders buy 5 or 10 contracts at a time. 20 would be a big trade. So if you're buying 5 or 10,000 contracts at a time, odds are you're an institutional trader. You're a big deal. You know what you're doing. You're not going to last very long making million-dollar bets and losing. You'd be out of money and a job real quick. So, when someone buys 5,000 contracts, odds are he's an institutional trader at a big shop like Merrill or Goldman. He's trading with firm capital. He would have a long track record of making money. This person would have access to valuable information like buyout rumors, earnings leaks, and other market-making moves. In other words, this is the kind of trader most of us would give anything to shadow, to look over his and her shoulder. By monitoring the unusual option activity trades, this is exactly what we're doing. The financial world knows the power of these abnormal, unusual option activity trades. Articles have been published on Wall Street Journal, Fidelity, Zacks, MarketWatch, and TheStreet.com. I've even seen one of my trades featured on CNBC. Here's one I did last year in FireEye. After my software flagged unusual option activity for 5,030 contracts, I followed suit and bought the September 15 calls. Later that day, Pete and Jerry talked about them on the air. But by that time, it was too late. The stock had already moved. And I made $7,000 on this trade in less than 3 hours. This one was no different than the others. By scanning the institutional order flow, my software flagged an unusual option activity trade the moment it filled, causing a big spike you can see here on the chart in black. Then, over the next several hours, the price began to rise, allowing me to pocket $7,000. I did the same thing to make $3,000 on electronic arts in one day, $3,700 in Alcoa, $3,984 in McDonald's, and $5,956 on NT. I also made $31,000 on one trade in C&Q and over $14,400 in GameStop. Oh, there you go. And you're thinking to yourself, well, he's probably trading $1 million account. I couldn't make these kind of trades. You're completely wrong. You can see my account balance right there on the screen, $58,185. Anybody can do this, even small account traders. This was a $25,000 cash account I opened to show my subscribers what they could do with this simple strategy. And I was able to make $11,665 in profits in 6 weeks, just from following unusual option activity trades. Now look, don't get me wrong. Not every single trade is going to be a winner. Some trades, they're just not going to work out. This is trading after all. But with this strategy, your winners will far outweigh your losers because the unusual option activity trades I follow are designed to make money. They're carefully crafted to get Wall Street firms in early before a big move happens in the underlying stock. It works like this. An institutional trader places a large trade betting a stock will go higher. Once unusual option activity trade is complete, the firm uses every trick in the book to drive the stock higher on volume. Brokers push it to their clients. Mutual funds take positions. Market makers bid it up on share price. Analysts issue upgrades and buy recommendations. Firms release positive stories to financial media. In other words, the Wall Street machine goes to work. How do you think Goldman Sachs traders made money on 236 of 251 trading days last year? But that's the real beauty of the strategy, because now you can take advantage of it on your own. All you have to do is get in when the usual option activity trade hits, sit back and watch the price go higher. The evidence is overwhelming. A leading financial firm concluded that these dark trades have profound impact on stock price. Buying can send the stock higher. Selling can send it lower. NASDAQ.com reported that very few things can move a stock more than unusual option activity. And a research firm at IBD found that these unusual option activity trades are what reveals what fund managers and other large investors are doing at critical moments. Unusual option activity trades have been proven to be perhaps the #1 predictor for stocks about to make big moves. Moves that give traders the ability to make quick returns in the option market, even if they have a small account. This is how my subscribers were able to make $3,150 on target calls, $4,020 on McDonald's calls, and $1,980 on USB calls. Now, at the beginning of the webinar, I promised to show you 3 secrets I've used to make almost $5 million trading options. The first is unusual option activity, which by themselves can easily make you money. But as a trader, I wanted to be more profitable. I wanted to be more accurate. I wanted to make more money. So I did a study. I analyzed my trading history over the last 16 years. The whole time I've been using unusual option activity. And what I found was that certain conditions led to an even higher win rate. These same conditions led to higher win rate. Trades where I was able to make 10 or 20 times my money in a short period of time. After I had identified strong unusual option activity trades, then I looked at the price of the option. Statistically, cheaper options make more money. And I'm going to show you a prime example here. Those priced between 20 and 80 cents or $20 to $80 per one lot will give you the best bang for your buck. These are out of the money options. The odds that they'll pay off are very, very low. But this means when the stock moves even a little bit in your direction, the odds go up substantially. So does the value of the option. Let's look at an example here in Walmart. What a very boring stock. This was Walmart. It went from $93 to $100. Slow, boring Walmart. During that time, in the money 90 call went from $7.25 to $14. A gain, 93%. But the cheaper, out of the money, 105 calls went from 50 cents to $2.45. A gain of 390%. Same underlying stock, same time period. But the lower cost option made 4 times the return. And here's why it's important. Imagine you're investing $3,000 in this trade. At $725 each, you could have got 4 of the 90 calls, turning your initial $3,000 into $5,700. Or you could have bought 60 of the cheaper 105 calls, turning the same $3,000 into $14,700. Easy choice, right? And this is huge for small account traders. If you only have a few $1,000s in your account, a $725 call is going to eat up a lot of capital. But with the $50 call option, you're only risking a piece of your account. Does this make sense to everybody? So that's criteria 2. I want a cheap option, preferably between 20 and 80 cents. The third thing I look at is delta. Delta is the measure of how much an option price moves in relationship to the underlying stock. Higher delta options move more, but as a lower percentage. Lower delta options move less, but the percentage is higher. The sweet spot, the delta is 15 to 45. That's where you get the best results. Big unusual option activity trades on cheap options with a good delta. That's the magic formula. So here's how I use this as a trader. Every morning, I scan over 4,199 stocks for unusual option activity. This finds me about 10 to 12 good trades during the day. I then filter that 10 to 12 to find the ones that meet my price criteria and have a delta in the range that I'm looking for. After looking at the charts, checking the news, analyzing the probability of each one, I'm able to isolate one best trade for the day. Those are the ones I send to my subscribers. Fine-tuning the unusual option activity trades is what helps me find winners like Melco that return 300% in 9 days, or Quick 400% in CNQ, but also big winners like 800% in 2 days in Alibaba and 1400% in 5 days in Google. These are the kind of wins that can make a huge impact on your trading and quickly grow your account. Look, I know the struggles of being a trader. I know what it's like seeing a stock taking off, not wanting to miss the move, then getting in right before it goes the other direction. You get into a trade, get stopped out, then watch the thing take off and you're no longer in it. Especially if you're trading a small account. Looking for those first big wins you need to build up a trading account. It's frustrating as hell. I work with thousands and thousands of traders every single day. Many have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on courses, indicators, but still can't be profitable. The problem is they've wasted time and money listening to wannabe trading gurus who like to give useless, generic advice. Things like let your winners run, cut your losers short, or trade with the trend. Give me a break. It's BS. 99% of these guys have never traded for a living, and I guarantee you they won't open their account and show you their P&L. The truth is, all the money management in the world won't make you profitable. It just won't. No magic indicator, gimmicky slogan is gonna make you successful. What traders need is clear, concise trades that actually make you money, period. That is the only thing I've seen to get people over the hump and start trading profitably. Many of my subscribers are finally making money after years of struggling in the markets. I got this one the other day. That trade cost him $850, and he quickly turned that into $2,200. Lance made over $1,600 in GME. Dave more than doubled his account over the weekend when the market wasn't even open. Small account traders have been doing just as well. Jay made 137% in 3 weeks. Gerald sent this to me not long after joining me. These people are no different than you. They're not smarter or luckier or even more experienced. They're just getting their ideas from a better source. Wall Street's top institutional traders. It's like fishing from a stocked pond, and there is nothing from stopping you from doing the same. All you have to do is follow the unusual option activity trades. It's that simple and it's that easy. This is how you're going to find tomorrow's winners today before they start moving. Trades like this one in Macy's. After I saw a trader buy Macy's calls 2,650, I knew it was time to get long Macy's. Subscribers were able to triple their money in Macy's in the course of a week. Here's Regions Bank. Oh, that was Macy's. Here's Regions Bank. There was a large buyer of the April 15 calls on Monday morning. 5 days later, traders could have closed out their position for 300% gains. And if you miss a trade, don't worry, because even if you miss Macy's and Regions, the next week you could have got 300% in XLF or 400% in Western Digital. I've been beta testing my trading room to a small group of traders, and the results have been outstanding. Steven quadrupled his money in 2 days on an unusual option activity trade in AMD. David took one of my trades right before the market closed on Friday. He closed it out Monday morning for 150% profit. Steven did even better. We got him in at $3.51, out at $19. Think about that for a minute. We got him in at $3.51 or $351 per one lot, out at $19. He bought the TTD August 105 call option for $3.51. He sold them at $1,900. Even if he bought a 5 lot, that's a profit of $7,745 on just one trade. So let me tell you a little bit more about the live trading room. I've been alerting folks about this project, and we have launched the largest live trading room in the world. We have over 3,000 paid subscribers. I'll read you some testimonials. I'll show you how the trades are going, and you have a chance to get in. We only have 25 spots available. We will sell out. We sell out almost every single webinar. Members will receive new trades every single day. There will be low-cost trades that anybody can take, even if you only want to risk $100 to $200 per trade. When you join the trading room, you'll receive a month membership to the service. And since I'll be sending out new trades every day, you'll have over 500 opportunities to score big wins like this. Another great thing about having a full year membership is you'll see your gains compound one after another. And this is when things get really exciting. Let's look at 3 examples I gave you earlier, assuming they fell one after another after another. Starting with $1,000, you could have grown that to $8,750 with puts in US Steel. Rolling that money into the Google trade, you could have turned that money into $131,250. And finally, you invested in the 2-day trade in Alibaba. You could have ballooned your account to $1,181,000. $1,000 to $1.1 million. That's more than 1,100 times your initial investment. Now look, this is obviously a hypothetical example. There is risk anytime you put any money in the market, but even a fraction of that would be life-changing for most people. The bigger point I'm trying to make here is that getting in early alongside Wall Street's top traders is the biggest and easiest way to make consistent profits in the market, even if you have a small account. This is how much I believe in this service. So I want to do everything I can to make sure you guys succeed in your trading, even if you're brand new to trading. So what we're offering you guys today is a 1-month membership of the live trading room with over 3,000 paid subscribers. Once a month, VIP group mentoring session, bonus trading room with 2 of my other moderators. That is Lance Ippolito and Brian Killsworth. We're going to give you the unusual option activity course. This course is $1,000 by itself. If you want it on our website, we'll give you this course 100% free. It's $1,000. We will send you all the trades via text and the 500% ROI guarantee. Okay? So as a bonus, we're going to give you that VIP group mentoring once a month. These small interactive sessions will give you a chance to ask questions, review your trades, and cover anything you're struggling with as a trader. You'll have unlimited email support with myself. If you have a question about a specific trade in stock, I will answer your questions directly. New members are also going to get immediate access to my unusual option activity course on demand. This covers my entire trading career. Everything I've learned over 17 years as a professional trader is condensed into 8 hours. Everybody that signs up today is also going to get all the trades sent via text. So there we go. Also, my 500% ROI guarantee. We track every single trade. If what you pay for the program is not 5 times, okay? So what we track, and let me show you guys a couple things here. So this is the official portfolio, okay, of every trade. And I'm actually going to do is show you guys a screenshot from the trading room. So this started on November 25th. So the first trade was on November 25th, since we launched the trading room with over 3,000 paid subscribers, okay? So we started tracking every single trade, the winners and the losers. Not just all the winners and the losers. Fast forward, let's see how we're doing. Bump, 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 bump. Okay. Now we're on June 18th. We have 137 total trades, 102 winners. So 102 divided by 136 is a 75% win rate. And we don't strip out the losing trades. There's going to be losing trades. And there's going to be times when I don't trade that well. Look at this. We had a time period in March. Look at all those losing trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight losing trades. 6 straight losing trades, and we're still on a 75% win rate. But look at the trades more recently. This is on June 4th. Okay? Since June 4th, we've had 1 winner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 winners and 1 loser, guys, since June 4th. So this is the perfect time to get into this trading room. And like I said, we only have 25 spots available. We're probably going to sell out of it, as we usually do sell out of it. 15 winners and 1 loser since June 4th. Not bad at all. 75% win rate. I actually took a screenshot from the trading room today, so you'll get access to open chat. Look at this, guys. This is a screenshot from today. Olive F made $2,340 today in CLDR. Tyson, up 40% today. And that was just a little bit of the chat box. Okay? This is a screenshot of the trading room. Hulu, today was their first, his or her first day. I don't know if it was a boy or a girl. They made 40% today. $22,400. Raymond's been making like $10,000 a day. And this is just a screenshot of the trading room today, guys. Okay? So you'll get me for an hour a day, 4 days a week, and we'll show you guys the price of it. Okay? You're also going to get these. So what we're offering you guys today, and I don't see if there's a place where I can see questions. I don't know if I can't see questions, but is there an area I can see questions? Maybe I don't get to see questions. But anyways, what we are offering you guys today, okay, is 1 month of the live trading room, okay? So you're going to get 1 month of the trading room. And I have my inbox open, and I'm going to read off people's name as you guys participate and you sign up, okay? I will give you a 5-day money-back guarantee. So I'll give you a week for free. So you can think of it as a week trial. We can't actually do trials. So we're going to give you a week for free, basically. Okay, so you sign up, you get in on Monday. The room is not open on Fridays. So what you're going to get is 1 month of the largest trading room in the world. Let me show you this too. So this is the target execution system. This is every position that I have on, and since we started the room. Okay, the S&P 500 futures are down 0.94% since we launched the room on November 25th. The S&P is down 0.94%. Pretty boring, huh? Trades that I put on in the trading room are up 1,106%. Okay, and I'm going to show you this. 1,106%. Look at this, guys. This is one of my 2 accounts, and look at the profitability here. $32,000 of profits on a $5,000 account. on this one account. I have multiple accounts here. Okay. $32,000 profits. And I trade on a simulated account due to the fact my subscriber base is so big, and I would never buy an option just to sell to my subscribers. So I trade on a simulated account. Okay. I do trade my own personal account, but any trade I announce in the trading room, I'm not allowed to trade for 24 hours. So I'll never buy options and then sell it to you. I don't do that kind of stuff. AK doesn't play that game. Okay. So what you're going to get, and look at the P&L here, guys. S&P down 0.94, and trades in the trading room are up 1,100%. So not bad, right? Would you consider that bad? S&P basically unchanged. If you just parked your money in S&P, you would not be making money. You wouldn't be losing any money. Okay. So you're going to get 1 month of the trading room. We're going to give you another bonus trading room. So in that bonus trading room, you'll have 2 of my hand-picked moderators. Also, we're going to give you once a month VIP group mentoring. That's $199 value, guys. Okay, keep going. Master course, $2,000 value. Okay. So total, $399, $299, $199, $19.97. We're going to send you all the trades via text. So you can't be in there. We will send you all the trades via text. Okay. Total value, and that number's off. Sorry, this is from an old presentation. Total value is 2022, 24, 27, like $2,100. So a $2,100 value, guys. We're going to give you 90% off today, and I'm going to throw in 2 more bonuses today. Okay. The bonus is I'm going to give you 5-day money back guarantee. So when you guys sign up, I'll give you a 5-day money back guarantee. So we can't do trials, but basically you sign up, you come into the trading room on Monday. Okay. I have taken beginner traders that don't know anything about stocks and options and show them the way to make money. Okay. And when I put in the price, I'm going to read up your name. Okay. $199, guys. Here is your link. And I don't see how I can put the link in here because I don't see the chat box. But it's alphashark.com/trade. Okay. alphashark.com/trade. And I'm going to read up your name as you sign up. We have about 5 minutes. I would like to get to questions if I can get to questions here. I don't know how to get to questions in Zoom. I don't really use Zoom very often. Chat, here we go. Okay, questions here. Here you go, guys. You only have 25 spots available. We will most likely sell out. Okay. A couple questions here. Is this call option or puts volume spike? Yes. So that's all we're looking for is call options or put options spiking. What do you get in instant income calendar? What do you get? Oh, that's not me. I've seen those specials so far. I'm sure there will be more. Andrew Keene is very good. Where can I find all the details? It's alphashark.com/trade. How much is it after the first month? After the first month, we will grandfather you in. Okay? We will never, ever raise your price. alphashark.com/trade. Congratulations to new member Jared. Congratulations to Becky. Congratulations to new member Barbara. Any questions you have, put them in here, guys. We will sell out, okay? So this is a couple things you're going to get. You're going to give a month of the live trading room, okay? A month of the live trading room. Bonus trading room with 2 more hours. Once a month VIP mentoring. We're going to take your hand, and we're going to show you guys everything you need to do to be more profitable, okay? I can't show you much more than this, okay? This is every trade we've taken in the trading room. 137 trades in 6 months. So 7 months. So 7 months, 137 trades. So you're getting about 20 trades a month. So 137 trades, guys, 102 winners. We're at a 75% win rate. And that's not just winners and losers, guys. That's winners and losers. Okay? That is winners and losers. We don't just take all the losers out like some people. You can trade through anything. What is the discounted annual price? If you email me with any questions, guys. I respond to anybody within 24 hours. It's alphashark.com/Andrew@alphashark.com. It's $199 a month, and we'll give you that 5-day money-back guarantee. Congratulations, new member Bob. Congratulations, new member Steven. Congratulations, new member Deborah. Congratulations, new member Michael. So you guys got to sign up now. I have about 3 minutes left. Put anything in. We will never raise the price on you. We will never raise the price on you. Okay? So 1 month of the biggest trading room in the world. Bonus trading room, 2 more hours. You're going to get the course for free. So I'll give you a 5-day money-back guarantee, plus we'll give you this course 100% free. You can keep that for life. Okay? It's only outright calls and outright puts. Only outright calls and outright puts. Only outright calls and outright puts. Congratulations, new member Greg. Congratulations, new member Patricia. Got about 6 spots left, guys. I got about 2 minutes left here, guys. So what you'll get is 1 month of the biggest trading room in the world. That's a $399 value. Bonus trading room for 2 more hours, $299 value. Once a month, VIP mentoring with myself. I don't let anybody else teach my mentoring sessions. Master course, you'll get that to keep for free. So every single person that signs up today will get that master course. Everybody that signs up today will get that master course. I will also give you a 5-day money-back guarantee. So when you buy it, you'll 5 days. You'll 5 days, okay? Any other questions here? Forever hold your peace. We see another person signing up. We got about 6 spots left here, guys. The link is alphashark.com/trade. alphashark.com/trade. All right, guys, everybody have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the presentations, and I'll see everybody in the trading room on Monday morning. Thanks, everyone.